Ever wondered how to build your own website from scratch? Well, today we're diving into the world of web development, breaking it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Firstly, start with the basics. Understanding the web languages HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is crucial. Think of HTML as the skeleton of your website, CSS as its style, and JavaScript as its functionality. Don't worry about mastering these languages overnight. Begin with understanding HTML tags and how they structure your web page, then gradually move on to CSS and JavaScript. Next, choose a text editor. This is where you'll be doing your coding. There are many free options available, such as Atom, Sublime Text, and Visual Studio Code. Pick one that you feel comfortable with and take time to familiarize yourself with its features. Now it's time to start building. Create your first HTML file and name it index.html. This file is the home page of your website. Use HTML tags to structure your content. Remember to always close your tags and keep your code clean by using proper indentation. Once the structure is in place, move on to styling your website with CSS. Create a separate CSS file and link it to your HTML file. This will allow you to add colors, fonts, and layouts to your website. Experiment with different styles until you're happy with your design. Now it's time to add interactivity to your website with JavaScript. This can range from simple actions like clicking a button to more complex features like form validation. Just like with CSS, create a separate JavaScript file and link it to your HTML. Now that you've built your website, it's time to publish it. There are many hosting platforms available, such as GitHub Pages or Netlify, that allow you to host your website for free. Simply upload your files, and your website will be live for the world to see. So to recap, building a website involves understanding the web languages HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, choosing a text editor, creating and structuring your HTML file, styling your website with CSS, adding interactivity with JavaScript, and finally, publishing your website. Remember, web development is a journey. Don't feel discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. It takes practice and continuous learning, so start coding, make mistakes, learn from them, and most importantly, have fun with it. Happy coding!